my truck.
Halifax's country. Hot Country 103.5.
Wow, what a game that was back on Saturday night, right? NHL Stanley Cup Finals, that 8-1 routing by the Edmonton Oilers over the Florida Panthers. So this was Brett Kissel in the stands cheering on his beloved Edmonton Oilers. Brett, take it away. Pretty cool, eh? 18,000 strong. Sounded great, Brad Kissel, and yeah, he's got Oilers fever along with the rest of Canada. Shania Twain played a free show. This was for like 10,000 fans outside of the rink. Here's what that sounded like. On guitar there, rocking it with Shania. So yeah, we're ready to go for Game 5 coming up for tomorrow night. It's going to be played in Sunrise, Florida, where the Florida Panthers can win their first Stanley Cup in franchise history. But the Edmonton Oilers going to try to stay alive. Game 6 back in Alberta on Friday night as the Oilers try to bring the Stanley Cup back to Canada for the first time since 1993. Let's go, Oilers!
Halifax's Hot Country 103.5.
Dale, I'm hearing exciting rumors that Portland Street Honda has a great selection of 2025 Honda CR-V LX all-wheel drives on the lot.
I can confirm that the safe and sporty 2025 CR-V is here and leasing now for just $239 bi-weekly plus tax with no money down.
It's beautifully equipped with heated seats, mirrors, and wiper zone, remote engine starter, LED headlights with auto high beam, and dual zone climate control.
Also featuring push-button start with proximity entry, real-time all-wheel drive, and the peace of mind that comes with Honda sensing technologies.
Discerning drivers will appreciate the fuel-sipping nature of its 1.5-liter turbo engine, too.
The 2025 Honda CR-V LX is ready to roll at only $239 bi-weekly with no money down. Canadian built, Canadian driven.
Now at Portland Street Honda, 36 Baker Drive, under the big Canada flag, Dartmouth.
103.5.
These boots need a key to. I woke up on the wrong side of the truck bed, but it ain't doing check to forgive the door slamming out the drive.
Hot Country 103.5.
$100 on a scratch on the ticket.
It just makes Halifax.
is on the water and the water's just right. Holding on to something that's holding me tight. Stars start to flicker like an old porch light, but no, I don't wanna go yet. Weeping willow falling for a midnight breeze. Lightning bugs play a little hide and seek. Got all the makings of a memory, but no, I don't wanna go yet. Not yet, not yet, not yet, not yet. No, I don't wanna go yet. Not yet, not yet, not yet, not yet. No, I don't wanna go yet. I got somebody waiting on the other side. I wanna get there, but I'm gonna take my sweet time. Living in this moment like there's only one left. No, I don't wanna go yet. Trying not to let another day go by. Saving up the minutes and stealing time. Can't live forever, but we still die trying. No, I don't wanna go yet. Not yet, not yet, not yet, not yet. No, I don't wanna go yet. Not yet, not yet, not yet, not yet. No, I don't wanna go yet. I got somebody waiting on the other side. I wanna get there, but I'm gonna take my sweet time. Living in this moment like there's only one left. No, I don't wanna go yet. Life is for living, love is for giving. Oh, all I want is just one more minute. No, I don't wanna, no, I don't wanna, no, I don't wanna go yet. Yeah, life is for living, love is for giving. Oh, all I want is just one more minute. No, I don't wanna, no, I don't wanna, no, I don't wanna go yet. I got somebody waiting on the other side. I wanna get there, but I'm gonna take my sweet time. Living in this moment like there's only one left. No, I don't wanna go yet. Not yet, not yet, not yet, not yet. No, I don't wanna go yet. Not yet, not yet, not yet, not yet. No, I don't wanna go yet.
It's classic.
Old school.
Old school country.
Hot Country 103. station.
Hot Country 103.5.
Time for What's Hot in the latest out of Nashville. Here's Kenny Chesney talking about his song, Take Her Home.
I mean, it's technically a ballad, but it moves and it's so hooky and lyrically it's great. And I just think that the melody fits anywhere. It's what I thought about when I was recording Take Her Home. I felt like I didn't want to lose the lyric, but I wanted to give it enough energy where it would fit anywhere in my show.
Take her home, fall in love, thank the good Lord up above that he sent one down.
Country legend George Strait broke the attendance record for the biggest concert crowd in the United States back on Saturday night. Here he is addressing the 110,905 ticket-buying fans at Kyle Field at Texas A&M in College Station.
What's going on, everybody? I'm ashamed to say this, but this is my first time to ever be in Kyle Field. Damn! Man, I want to whoop so bad. Can I whoop one?
And by the way, the record was previously held by the Grateful Dead back in 1977 at their show that had 107,019 fans. And here's Luke Combs talking about how many people look like him. You know, lookalikes.
If you're 5'8" to 6'8" and you're 200 pounds to like 600 pounds and you have like the Amish style beard, people are like, dude, you look just like me, dude. And they'll be in the meet group like, dude, everybody says I look like you. I'm like, bro, you are